Meron ding ano, I think may pending case pa si Pastor Quiboloy, yung review ng case niya before the Davao City Prosecutor's Office in 2021. It was dismissed by Davao, pero I think it's still under review by the DOJ. In which case po, in case that is pursued or the dismissal is overturned, does that mean na kailangan patapusin muna lahat ng local cases before extradition is even considered?
The extradition process is a separate process.
Yeah.
So, it can proceed. Siguro ang issue is, will we extradite him eventually? So, that's another matter, no? Because under the treaty, there is a provision what we call, we can temporarily surrender. So, parang ipapahiram natin. That's a possibility. As you mentioned, if there are pending cases in the Philippines, okay, he might be needed for trial, or assuming he will be convicted, then he will have to serve his sentence here in the Philippines. So we cannot fully extradite him. As I said, the most that can happen probably is a temporary surrender.
Okay, but Attorney Ortha, we do want to bring Attorney Topacio in, but just one quick question. Short of extradition, does it trigger or compel any kind of our own investigations here at the level of the Philippines?
No, because the allegation is that the offenses happen in the U.S.
But on the other hand, nabanggit na rin ng DOJ that you can issue motu proprio provisional arrest order and lookout bulletin. What can trigger those orders?
Let me clarify that, ma'am. With respect to provisional arrest, that has to be filed also with the court prior to the filing of the extradition request. Now, if you are referring to a whole departure order, that we cannot do. In fact,
lookout.
Yes, ma'am. So, the whole departure order, we have no authority. Now, the one that you mentioned, the lookout bulletin order, an immigration lookout bulletin order. Yes, the Department of Justice, in certain instances, does issue that. But I'd like to clarify that an ILBO cannot be used as a legal basis to prevent a person from leaving the country. Otherwise, it would have the same effect as a whole departure order, which the Supreme Court already said the DOJ has no authority because of the absence of a law. If there is a law that would give that power to the Secretary of Justice, then that's a possibility. In fact, there was a proposal before to authorize the Secretary of Justice through a law. There was a proposed bill to issue what we call a temporary travel restriction order, but it did not prosper.